Hello, welcome to Guinevere. Come inside and have a look. Guinevere started life as a school minibus, and after about, I think, 15 years of service, she came our way, and we've converted her to firstly a van to use ourselves, and now a van which we hire out through Quirky campers. As you can see, it's a long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter. Long wheelbase basically gives enough room to have a shower, which is wonderful at a festival. Sunday morning at a festival cannot be better than a bacon roll and a shower. Okay, moving on, we've got a little Woodburner here which burns barbecue charcoal, which you pop in the top there. It's a lovely little thing. Basically, it takes the chill off on a winter's day or winter's evening. And it does the job. That's a new addition. We've recently done a complete refit on the van, which involved putting all the tongue and groove wood all the way around. We've got the curtains here. I quite like. I love the idea of these curtain poles on the outsides rather than on the top. Nice and easy to use. And you haven't got curtains flopping around everywhere when you're driving along. A compressor fridge here, which works. As you can see, it's nicely stocked. It doesn't come like that when it's hired out though. It's up to you to put the food in there and your drink. That runs from a solar panel, so there's nothing to worry about, totally off-grid. Cooking facilities, sink and hob there. Lots of storage for food and that kind of thing under there. Another little cupboard up here. Table here with seating for 2 people. We have a piano stool that comes out. And the bed, which is at the back of the van. This is basically, you have a sofa and you have a children's bunk at the top there. The way this works, that basically comes out and that gives you about a 5'7" bed. If you're taller than that, we have a framework which comes out which fits where I'm stood here basically. So you just pop that on and then turn the mattress around, and then that gives you 6'2" bed, which is more comfortable. The other beauty of this one is that you can flip it up again as such. And now you've got a sofa which is facing the outside, which is lovely if you park next to the sea, watching the sunset, drinking a bottle of wine or whatever. Absolutely fantastic.